guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create and send email campaigns on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. This case, the main thing they need to have here, or the main feature that you need to have on your Shopify store, is the ability to basically send or create emails. Now in this case, for you to do that, we need to install an app. Now in this case, you want to go to settings at the bottom left here. And under settings, you want to go ahead and click on the option that says apps and sales channel. Now in here, you want to click on the Shopify app store at the top right. And from here, you want to type in the following, which is going to be a Shopify email. Press enter. Now you should be able to see the actual app for that. Let's go and click on Shopify email. From here, let's go and click on install. So the great thing about this app is actually free, so you won't have to pay for anything. You can basically just use it for free here. But in this case, once you've done that, what we need to do is we need to create our campaigns. Let's go and click on create campaign at the right side here. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to start setting up our template branding. Let's go and select an image here. So as an example, we want to use this one. This is just an example. You could use your own. You could add your store name, typography here, the type of font you want to use, and at the right side is the example email that the customers will be getting. So you have the option to change a few things like the color, the background, and the footer here if you want to as well. So by the way, the information that you'll be seeing here is actually dependent on the contents of your actual store. So for example, if you have like a bunch of details or addresses, it will be indicated in here. But once you've done that, let's go and click on save at the top right. And basically this actually saves our changes. Just wait for it. But in this case, once it's actually saved, what we need to do next is we need to click on next at the top right. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to basically get started. So in this case, let's go and choose one of the options here. You could choose one of the following templates here. So for example, maybe I want to use this one. So let's go and choose it. And from here, let's go and click on select. Now, once it's actually selected, what we need to do next here is we just need to customize a few things here. So for example, it is the subscriber section here. So in this case, you need to basically search segments here. So you can adjust this or edit this by the segment page here. So you could go and click on the segment page. Adjust a few things if you want to. So in this case, you can basically save segments here if you want to. You can even duplicate them if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, you create a segment here. You can choose a template or apply a filter here. You go to customers here as well. So in this case, you can add your customers manually or import them via CSV file if you want to. Which is the details, or in this case, the details that we'll be using later on for our campaign itself. So let's go back to our previous pages here, so we'll be able to continue what we were doing before. So by the way, if you can't view it in here, again, you can go and click on settings here. You want to go to apps and sales channel. You want to look for Shopify email. Let's go and choose email here. Let's go and click on open app. Now again, let's go and continue our campaign here. Let's go and choose our recent campaign here. Let's go and click on it. So it's still in drafts. So in this case, you also need to add your subject, your preview text here if you want to, and the from. So in order for you to fully utilize this one, you need to verify your email first. So you can go and click on verify sender email here. You need to basically just follow on this step for you to basically verify your email. But once you've done that, you should be able to basically verify it and start using the email app here. Now, in this case, you could even add sections if you want to. Like, for example, you could go ahead and choose a button, image, video, gift card. So there are some customization that you could do here. So you could also change the colors here if you want to. So in this case, for example, I want to add a product here. But again, this is just a product sample. So for example, I want to add this t-shirt here. Let's go and click on add. And you should be able to add that specific product. By the way, you could also change a few things here. Like for example, we could go ahead and select one of the sections here. You can even delete it, duplicate it if you want to, and just a few things like the settings like the columns, the image, the content if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, once you've done all the necessary changes here, you can either click on the sentence at the top right here, and basically do a test first on how it's going to look like and see if it's going to work. But once it's actually done, you go and click on review at the top right here. And in here, it should actually prepare the actual campaign, and you just need to confirm or in order for you to send out your campaign to your customers. But yeah, so basically there are going to be some customization that you can do here, but not a lot since the app itself is quite limited. But in this case, you should be good, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan App. Thank you for watching.